Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the video today. And again, as you guys come in, don't forget to hit the like button. And today's video, what we simply have is a 100 amp sub panel located on the second floor of the home. This sub panel is going to be picking up all circuits on the second floor. And what I'm doing right now is I'm tying in my wires to turn on the panel so I can have power on the second floor. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello again and welcome back to the channel. And today what we have is a sub panel, 100 amp panel located on the second floor. Many people will ask, why is there a sub panel? Well, sub panel normally when there's a lot of circuits being run through the house, instead of going all the way back to the main floor or the basement, you can simply add a sub panel. It's cost efficient. Panel is reasonable price compared to running all your wires back down to the main electrical room with manpower. Simply don't make sense. So that's what I'm doing right here in this video. So again, please don't forget to like up the video, and I'll catch you guys in between the video. So hello again and welcome back to my channel. I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to today's video. So please don't forget to like up the video, very important. And in today's video what we have is I'm working inside of the main floor of the home, and there's an attic upstairs here, and the code rule states that anything with an attic running wires across has to be supported to code. So the 2x4 I have placed on top, the top of the joist, is simply something to protect my wires. If you can see on the side of the 2x4 in the video, you'll see my wires running on the side, stapled down neatly to code. That way, if anyone walks inside of the attic, they're not damaging the wires. So again, as you can see, I'm going to be placing plywood, screwing down my 2x4 across this section here to protect my wires once again. And again, so please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in between the video. So basically what I'm putting is a running board. Anytime you have the attic, you have to put a running board to protect your wires from being damaged. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. As you can see, it's a high ceiling, so I have to install a running board across wherever my wire is running, so I can obviously protect the wires from being damaged if someone has to walk in the attic or anything like that. Generator feed. So because I cannot use the actual core line that's sitting right there on the outside, on the surface of the wall, I have to transition it over. So in order to transition it over, I'm simply going to be using this same type of cable to go on the outside of the house. So when I'm ready to install the generator, I can simply use that. Again, for all those who are watching from the bushes, you can double tap to like up the live. Doesn't cost anything. You can also like and share, and sorry, you can also subscribe to the channel. Doesn't cost anything. So that's again the box I'm installing, and again, this is basically my 400 amp disconnect that I have here that I recently installed. Don't say. So hello, welcome back to the channel, and I'd like to thank you guys all for tuning in to the end of the video. And what we have here is simply me roughing in the home inside of the second floor of the house. Smoke detectors interconnected, boxes being installed on the joists and so on. And you know, this is how I normally start my job. I like to place my boxes wherever I've laid out my stuff to go. Also, on the outside wall, I normally put some type of vapor barrier from the outside weather. So again, just sit back and enjoy the video. And again, for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, this would be the chance to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also be a member also of the channel. And please don't forget to like up the video. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.